Hello guys, now we'll see how can we change our course primary or main author from the course edit area. Okay, first we need to comment a code from Tutor plugin, this hook. We copy it from here, then we'll go the Tutor plugin classes course.php file. Here we will open this in the code editor. Then search that hook. Okay, we'll see this is here. Then just comment this line and save and close. Then we need to add this code in our theme or child theme function.php file. We highly recommended this to add your child theme, otherwise after theme update you will lose your changes. Okay, then we go our theme. My current activated theme is 2021. Okay, then open the function.php file and edit. Then add the code here and save and close this section. Okay, then from the courses section you can edit the and change the author and update. Also you can edit see it is already changed. Also you can edit from here, then update, it will work. Okay, see, thank you, thanks for watching.